Lots of quail outside, guys. They are looking food. Lots of birds. They are quail. This is the first day of a second day of snow here. Last night there is a snow, but it's slight only. So look at that area there. There are lots of. Oh boy. They're looking food. There are lots. Very cute. And then during the winter, we will feed them. We will buy a food for them. Look at that. They're so fat. Nakakatuwa sila. Ganyan yan sila, guys. Patrolya yan sila, mas lalo na pagka pinapakain na sila. Ayan, dami nila. Ganyan katindi yung mga ibon dito, guys. Inaalagaan ng mga tao. Ayan, mas lalo na pag winter. Pagkakainin namin yan. Nag-away sila. Ayan. Alright, so ayan muna namin yan dyan kasi marami pa akong gagawin. Thank you so much for watching, guys.